coming rear glass. Let's take a look at where
There's a little bit of
video right through here. Plastic frame, the frame cracks a little bit. They're very small. So let's get back off. I got this convenient step because I knew all the way, and this seam sealer we got, but you want to fill the whole thing up all the way. Just put this back up there. It just sits in place, and we're going to keep this truck overnight because I want this to off. It didn't kill it. It just kind of put a little mark on it, but it cleaned right up. Then we'll just let this. I prefer to let it sit overnight before we introduce it to any dew